Luxury meets convenience in award-winning Emerald Park, set in a prime location of North York, close to shopping, dining, entertainment, and with direct indoor access to the Yonge and Shepherd subway lines and the TTC. Amenities abound here, including a concierge, exercise room, indoor pool, a large parking spot, oversized locker, and an outdoor patio with a spectacular downtown view guaranteed to make you feel on top of the world. In addition to a fantastic flex space, which could be used as an office or den, there's a light-infused living room that captures views through floor-to-ceiling windows. Beyond the breakfast bar is a modern kitchen equipped with designer Miele appliances and contemporary Euro-style cabinetry. You'll be impressed by the scale of the master bedroom, which offers space for the desk, sitting area, or exercise equipment. It's serviced by a spacious master bath. The second bedroom is a dream, complete with access to the balcony, where you can sip your morning coffee in peace while soaking up the expanse of spectacular, unobstructed views of the entire city and Lake Ontario. Great home, great location, great amenities, great time to make your move. Book a tour today.